Hello everyone, my name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are going to start with our new session, that is spreadsheet. In this video, we are going to cover two sessions. First is using AutoSum in Excel and second is condition formatting. Let's start. So, we have already done many of the functions of Excel in the previous class like subtraction, multiplication, division and addition. So sum is one of the functions available in spreadsheet to perform additions of the selected numbers in the sheet. So we should know why we are using AutoSum because we have already used the sum function. So AutoSum is used for adding the values given in the cells automatically without writing the formula to perform this operation. So it makes our work easier. To do that, select the cell where you want to find your sum. Go to the editing group of Home tab, click on this AutoSum option. Now, as I have told you, you are not mentioning any range here. The spreadsheet program is taking it on its own. So it can select either horizontally or vertically. It depends on the data. Now, press enter. You can see it's way easier to find the sum like this. Now you can find sum for the rest of the data. I will prefer autofill feature because it makes the work much easier. So this is how you can use AutoSum feature. Next session is conditional formatting. So conditional formatting allow you to change the formatting of the cells based on the value in it. So you can change the font color of the data, the border color of the cell, or you can do the shading in the cell. So it will differentiate that value from the rest of the sheet. So this feature would be very useful if we are working on some profit loss spreadsheet or a temperature variation spreadsheet or a mark sheet. I am working on a mark sheet. So to do that, select your cells where you want to apply the conditional formatting. Go to the conditional formatting option in the styles group of Home tab. Click over here. You are provided with a variety of options. We will work with the highlight cell rules. Here I am going to select the greater than rule. You can see this window. Specify your value from which to which you want to compare. I want to compare it with 250. Now select the type of formatting you want to apply. Light red fill with the dark text, yellow fill with the dark yellow text, green fill with the dark green text, highlighted fill, red text, red border, or you can custom format. So first I will go with this green fill with the dark green text. As I press OK, you can see I have only two cells having value greater than 250. Now, you have seen there is an option of custom. So let me show you how it works. Select a range, go to the conditional formatting option, click over the greater than, specify your condition, 80 is okay, go to the custom format. Again you can see a window. From here you can make the changes. Likewise, I want my text to be red in color and I want it to be strike through. So when I press OK, you can see the value is in red color and it is strike through. So this is how your conditional formatting works. Thank you.